Hello from Paolo Perrotta, welcome to How Git Works. Git is really powerful, but let's be honest, it's also kinda scary. I remember after using Git for months, I still found it confusing. But there came a moment when suddenly it all made sense, suddenly Git clicked for me. And that moment was when I understood how Git works from the ground up. If you understand how it works, then using it becomes so much easier. That's why this training exists. I want to demystify Git for you. You won't just learn a bunch of commands here, like in a regular training. Instead, you'll see how and why those commands work. And once you know that, you'll be able to learn any Git command with confidence. Well, in theory, this is an advanced training. But even if you are a beginner at Git, I think that you should watch this. I would say this is a course for everybody who uses Git, as long as you know the basics. How to stage files, commit them, switch branches. If you know those fundamental operations, then it doesn't matter whether you've been using Git for 2 weeks or 2 years. I think you'll find something useful in this training. So let's dive in. It's going to be fun.